watching the sunset, me and my girl. They say Key West has the best in the world. All of a sudden, out of the blue, something unnatural blocks my view. I got a cruise ship blocking the sunset, and I ain't even finished my beer yet. I got a cruise ship blocking the sunset, and you don't know how bad I wanted it, and you don't know how bad I needed it, but I didn't get it. Yeah. Now don't get me wrong, I like a good party, but why you gotta cover up the sunset and get more money? It used to be freaks and hippies on Mallory Square. Now it's all parking lots and cruise ships everywhere. I got a cruise ship blocking the sunset, and I ain't even finished my beer yet. I got a cruise ship blocking my sunset, and you don't know how bad I wanted it, and you don't know how bad I needed it, but I didn't get it. Yeah.